Margaret was a sweet grandmother, and Shannon was her energetic granddaughter. One sunny Saturday morning, Shannon bounced into Margaret's cozy kitchen, her eyes gleaming with excitement. "Grandma, guess what? There's a talent contest at the town hall today, and I want to enter!" she exclaimed, her voice brimming with enthusiasm. Margaret chuckled softly. "Well, my dear, it sounds like a splendid idea. What talent will you be showing?" she inquired, her smile widening as Shannon launched into an explanation of her dance routine. With a gentle pat on Shannon's shoulder, Margaret nodded in approval. "Let's get you ready then. We'll make sure you shine like the brightest star in the sky." Together, they set off for the town hall, hand in hand, Shannon skipping alongside Margaret's steady pace. As they entered the bustling venue, Margaret marveled at the array of talents on display. When it was Shannon's turn to perform, Margaret watched from the front row, her heart swelling with pride. With grace and poise beyond her years, Shannon twirled and leapt across the stage, her movements a testament to her passion and dedication. As the final notes of Shannon's dance faded away, the audience erupted into thunderous applause, their cheers echoing throughout the hall. Margaret beamed with joy, her eyes shimmering with tears of pride as she rushed to embrace her granddaughter. As they walked home beneath the golden hues of the setting sun, Margaret realized that the true magic of the day wasn't just in Shannon's performance, but in the bond they shared. She knew that no matter where life took them, she would always be there to cheer Shannon on every step of the way.